Hey guys, so after we find the trend and we are so happy that we see a trend moving forward every year with the sunglasses, so what we have left is actually to find a method that lead us to show us what is the right sunglasses that actually sold right now. So this is where the magic comes. This is where the most successful apps don't succeed to find a good solution for that. And actually, we find some. This is our secret sauce because we find an app that actually is really cheap. They have a free plan that actually help us dramatically to find our winning products. And it doesn't matter, as I explained before, if it's AliExpress, eBay, or Amazon, because it's just a trend. Um, uh, uh, this tool is actually take you to to a level that you know actually what's sold right now and you know what people is looking for right now. So if we go, for example, to AliExpress, as I showed you before, and you're looking for sunglasses niche, for example. Wait a minute. So if we go here, all right, so we do sunglasses. All right, so we find a lot of sunglasses, and actually we don't know which one is working the best. We don't know which one is actually sold the most. And as you can see, this one is sold 161 692 orders. This one 500 orders. This one 2,700 orders, which is crazy. It's dramatically tons of orders. So it you don't know actually really how many orders they generate on the previous days, which means like 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, or whatever. And actually, if we know that we go to the trend and the products, the searching for sunglasses is raising right now on Google, and if it's Google, it's everywhere. So you don't know what sunglasses is working the best. You don't know. So our secret sauce in this tool, I want to show you that right now. And before I show you that, please guys, I have a request. You know, when you know something and when you have a knowledge base of, when you find some way to find a winning product and you generate a lot of money and tons of revenue, one of the biggest things that I've learned in the year, as long as I work in this business, it's to keep that to yourself. Now, I know it sounds unreal when I show you that, but I'm showing you that to give you value because I think I'm on a position that I'm feeling happy to give value to a lot of people. But you, if you are on a stage that you want to make money and you want to use your secret tools and everything, I offer you keep it to yourself. So this tool, actually, I will give you the link in the bonus section, all right, to find the tool because I think it's not searchable on Google too much. So this is the tool actually. The tool is really amazing tool. No, it doesn't matter if you work with AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, whatever. So the tool actually what it's doing, if you click on products, you can see now it's working. Okay. You can sort by any category that you want in AliExpress, and you can sort by any niche. You can sort by any country, shipping, and ship from. What you see here inside this tool every hour is analyze all AliExpress and eBay platforms and actually take all the best selling products and give you all the information that you want. This is just madness, all right? It's crazy because when we meet this app, they are what they were on their beta, and now that the new interface, I'm just in love in that, all right? And I'm gonna explain you why this app is so crazy. When you go and you click on the products, this is actually the board that they provide you, and you can see that they have a lot of products on the home page. it means that this is their top products. As you can see, this is the top selling products of the day. It's of today, which means it's crazy. Now, for example, what I mean, as you can see, this product sold today, total numbers of orders for today, 808 units today, which means wow. All right, so if you, for example, open the product and you want to show the product in AliExpress, you can go to AliExpress and you can see that they have 70,000 orders. And as I show you, for example, in the sunglasses, which we meet in a second, you see a lot of orders, but you don't know how many orders happened today. So this one is a definitely trending product. All right, that actually the seller, as you can see, you have a tag of is dropship the product, which is crazy and awesome, and they have integration to Shopify. But also what you can see that trend. You can see how many orders happened today, how many orders yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and also you have a chart of trending. But this is not actual our product. This is how the insights look like inside this app, and what we're looking for actually is a sunglasses. And we go to that, but I'm so excited to show you that, and I know that you keep it to yourself and don't tell anyone, because it's really secret sauce of our company. So if, for example, we go to 7 days or so we can find, for example, the top products. This one in the last 7 days sold $8,000. It shows you that cosmetic niche is really powerful right now. And if you scroll down, you can search, for example, for some sunglasses. All right, boom. 2,000 pieces on the last 7 days for this piece of sunglasses. And as you can see, this is definitely a trend. This is definitely an amazing example of all what I explain you. It shows you here, and you can see also the trend. Take a look at that. On December, they sold 2,000 pieces, 2,000 orders. It can be 1 piece or 2 pieces. On January, 3,500. On February, 5,000. On March, now, let me show you. Right now is March 18. This is only above 3 days of the middle of the month, March 18, and they sold almost double from the previous month. It's crazy. It's like 70% from the previous month, and this is just the middle of the month. This is just in preview all my method of the trend that actually starts right now. So this one is an amazing sunglasses to publish and do as many videos as you can, images as you can, because see, these sunglasses is just crazy. Also, how you can recognize more, it's if you go to AliExpress to the product. Okay, let me show you the second secret sauce of all the time that we check our suppliers. As you can see, this is like 21,000 orders. 21,000 orders, which means that if on the previous 7 days it's sold 2,000 pieces, it's definitely a new product. Okay, so if you open the product, okay, and you go to AliExpress, this is the sunglasses, you go down, or you can click on the orders, take a look at that, March 18, this is actually today. And if you scroll down, you can see that there is tons of orders of March 18. AliExpress provide the information and told you who purchased today, who purchased yesterday. So this is a really valuable, take a look at that. This customer purchased 3 pieces, 4 pieces. So it's really valuable information that you can use to check even other products. And also the images here, it's just amazing. You can publish that on any platform as you want. This product is a winner. Everyone just grab this product. Okay, so this is actually the app that we use. As I told you, I put you a link on the bonus section because I don't want Udemy's don't give you the option to say names of apps or something on the videos. So I just I'm going to give you the link, no problem. Okay, so this is just the trend. As you can see, this is a trend that actually starts on February and it's working amazing. And as you can see, the trend goes up as long as we go. You can see the platform by days, and you can see by top countries who purchase the product, top drop shippers that purchase the product and you can follow their stores and something like that. You have tons of value, tons of information, but let's focus on our niche. All right, so actually we can go up, can go to products, and we can go, for example, to sunglasses, and I guess that our sunglasses will be the first. Yeah, boom. Today they sold 196 pieces. Second one, 177 pieces. Take a look at that. Total number of orders for today. Total number of the wall orders, 12,177. But if you want to recognize the trend right now, as I told you, open the app, go down. As you can see, this one is a trend. All right, March, catch, boost. Okay, so this one was sleepy for 3 months, and they see that this one is really good potential. Maybe the sellers, they see that, I don't know, on Google, on a search platform or something, and actually they activate it on March. And as you can see, the results is amazing. It looks like if they sold on all the whole March 700 pieces, I believe that these sunglasses is on the air on AliExpress for no more than 4 or 5 days or something like that, and so on and so on. Also, you can take results from the previous 7 days, you can take results from the previous 30 days, and then you see better results. As you can see, 2,000 pieces sold, 1,000 pieces. You will get, for example, better results if you go further on the date. So it's just an amazing tool. You have tons of features. If you want to see, for example, products not above, I don't know, $10 or something, you have the filter for that. If you want to see products that actually, which is crazy, we use that all the time, that actually shipping by e-packet or AliExpress standard shipping. If you want ship from, all right, ship from is actually the one that we use all the time. All right, don't tell anyone. This app is the only one app that we see that actually takes, you know, there is a dream that no one wants to do dropshipping from China. I know it's disgusting, it's not good, it's not fun. And exactly, if you have an eBay store. Here, you can sort all the suppliers that actually sold their product from the United States. So I know if I have an eBay store and I want to sell my product really fast and send it really fast, so you can see that they have the United States option, which is amazing. Okay, so guys, this app is just crazy. I hope you save it for yourself. Also, as you can see in AliExpress, you have the option to do votes or something like that, as you can see, by votes. And you can see you can do some wish list. I see, where is the wish list? We don't use that mostly. Yeah, this is the wish list. So we don't use that, but what looks interesting is the votes. If I go to the votes and I want 1,000 votes, it means like reviews. All right, so I go to product and I want to go, for example, 2,000 reviews and above. Give me only this product. So this one is an amazing product that sold with 5 stars. Okay, there's also a lot of good gadgets here. Yeah, it's a definitely good trend. Take a look at that. Oh my god, it's like 20,000 pieces a month. Take a look at that. Now March, catch a trend, crazy trend, which means it's really powerful product. $3 for this product, I think it's a joke. Also, they provide a video. Okay, this is just amazing images also. So guys, you have tons of value inside this app. You can use that. Let me know, and if you have any question, you can shoot me a message and I will try to help you guys. But this is definitely what you're looking for. This is definitely what you're looking for. Also, if you have a Shopify store and you want to track and spy everyone who sells this product, this is the most valuable tip that you can get from this app. All right, you can just go down and you have the option to go to the Shopify store that actually sold this product. Take a look at that. It shows you all the stores that sell this product and also shows you their Shopify stores that actually sold these products. All right, this one actually maybe they shut down or something. Also the second one, let's see this one, let's see this one. Now this is AliExpress, a competitor. It's like similar product. Okay, this one actually closed their store. But if you go to more products, I believe you can find tons of Shopify stores here because I see a lot. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.